Kung nagsisimula ka palang mag-aral ng income taxation, ito ang isa sa mga importanteng topic na dapat mong ma-master. Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng situs of income and source of income? Kapag sinabi natin situs of income, it is the place of taxation of income. It also pertains to the jurisdiction that has the authority to impose tax upon the income. Ang source of income naman are related to the activity or property that produces income. It is important for us to know the situs of income to determine whether or not an income is taxable in the Philippines or not. Sa Pilipinas kasi, merong mga taxpayer na taxable lang sa mga income within the Philippines and meron ding mga taxpayer na taxable on global income. Para mas ma-appreciate natin, i-apply natin ngayon sa problem na ito. The requirements are, we have to compute for the income within, income without, and worldwide income. Kapag sinabi nating income within, the situs of the income is within the Philippines. Kapag naman without, the situs of the income is outside of the Philippines. Kapag sinabi naman nating worldwide income, it is the combination of both within and without. Quick introduction lang, kaya natin pinag-aaralan ang worldwide income kasi merong mga taxpayer tulad ng resident citizen or domestic corporation taxpayer, they are being taxed on the worldwide income, while other taxpayer are being taxed only on income within the Philippines. Ngayon, isa-isahin natin. Interest income deposits in a foreign bank, 300 pesos, this is without. Interest from domestic bonds, so may keyword na tayo dito na domestic ito, this is within. Royalties from publications in the Philippines, may keyword na tayo dito, this is within naman. Rent income from properties abroad, but the contract is executed here in the Philippines. Yung situs ng rent income natin dito na 150 is considered without. And last one, professional fees rendered here in the Philippines. Dito natin sa Pilipinas ni-render ang ating service. This is considered within. In total, ang ating within lang dito is 50, 100, and 400. Income taxable within the Philippines, total 550. Ang income without naman natin amounting to 450 and the global income is 1,000. I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa situs of income discussion natin.